Okay guys, we have already separated touch, the touch from the iPhone 10 series. This is iPhone 10 LCD. We already separated with freezer. So can we see this clearly? Yeah, it's perfect. Now let's goes to the lamination part. So this is the, where's the touch? Here's the touch. So this is the touch we're gonna use. Check. This is the touch we're gonna use for the iPhone 10 touch replacement. Now let's go to the as I always say, this job requires a lot of patience. So you need to clean every part of this LCD, make sure there is no dust, no fingerprints. So make sure everything is perfect before we put it into the laminator. And I talked to our technician. They say in our lab we have like 10% failure. So that's why those iPhone 10 touch is necessary. It's very necessary to learn how to laminate iPhone 10 touch. Okay, now let's put into the the laminator. Now let's see, how does it work? It's already done. Okay. Later we need to wear the touch, so they need to all be working perfect. Okay, that's all, guys. So I hope you guys learned from this video how to replace the touch panel for iPhone 10. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.